Hi, this is Keith. Welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. I want to talk about a new build. Again, I'm just a builder, an active builder, a working builder, showing you what I do. So I've got a new job here in Iron County, Utah. We're calling this new job in a new series called Cedar West. So we'll call this job the Cedar West. A couple of interesting things on this job. Today we're breaking ground, getting footings dug. I do have a frost depth on this home of a little over 30 inches. So this is very different from 45 minutes south of me, where I don't have that kind of a frost depth. Again, I build in multiple different temperate climates, changing elevations from 1,500 feet to over 7,500 feet. So I have a lot of elevation changes and a lot of different weather issues that I've got to deal with. So we got to do a deep frost depth footing on this home, and we're going to do something special in this home. We're going to do an underground, full vented, forced air system on this home, but it's going to be completely enclosed in a PVC system, not a metal and concrete joint connection with some PVC. It's going to be a completely enclosed underground forced air system. Why? We'll explain later as we move forward with the home. We'll also have an insulated slab on this home. Really nice touches. And we're doing this home in stages. So we've got the garage to the west. We're hurrying to get that done. And then we're going to do the house immediately after that, which is adjacent to it on the east side of the lot over here. A lot of fun things with this home. Watch us on this series. Again, this is a groundbreaking for a new home we're calling Cedar West.